It's me, Mario, and we are going to be doing part 2 of Mario. This is going to be Mario's demise. So his demise, my great friend Jackie gave me this awesome idea to do the star in the head, and then we're going to do some trippy stuff. So Mario is going to go on a wild trip, and we are going to create it. Let's go. 1 hour later, and I am back. I've been trying to film this little TikTok of this star hitting me in the face. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna make these clouds look all trippy, and I painted like a red and blue like trim to make it look like 3D, so let's see if that worked. My trippy clouds are up, and I'm gonna pop in a rainbow contact in this eye. I'm debating on both eyes, but I think I'm just gonna start with one. I have the contact in, and I think I need to do both eyes. Or pop in the other contact. I have to have both. Oh yeah. Yeah. A lot is about to happen. I want the eyes to look like they are like melting. Something like that. I'm just creating a rough draft, and then I'm gonna make his face like a pastel rainbow. I'm just gonna wing it. But first, the mustache. So I don't want to take it completely off, but we are going to be doing a rainbow mustache, no surprise. But I just want to leave like the outline of this, and it'll make it so much easier for when I paint the rainbow on. Kind of giving off Mario clown vibes, and that could also be a series that I could do. I'm not sick. I promise I'm not sick. It's this little nose, and it keeps falling. It's been melting all day. We're all the pastel colors painted on. This is the last color I'm using. I'm using the Mayron Pastel Cream Blend sticks. These are so amazing and perfect for this look because I want it to be trippy, but I want it to be like on pastel skin because I know I'm going to do everything else rainbow. And using Mayron's Colorset powder, I'm just going to set all of this cream paint. I want to go over some of these colors just to like amp up some of the color a little bit, and I'm just using the Abby Roberts Morphe palette to just amp up some of these shadows. I'm going to start off by using, these are the Makeup a Murder Toxic eyeliners. I'm going to start off by using these to create a rainbow mustache. I'm going to start with this red color to create the middle of the mustache, and then we will go with the rainbow. I popped some yellow on, and we're going to pop on some green, and I'm also doing the eyebrows because they're going to be rainbow, so might as well do them all at the same time. Mustache is painted, and so are the browsies. Now I'm going to do the rainbow eye drops. While I paint those, since I'm going to be doing a rainbow, I made a rainbow road, and this is going to be like coming out of my face, and then I made another rainbow road that's going to be on the other side, like it's coming out of my face, but it broke. Yeah, so I'm going to paint that at the same time since I'm doing it all rainbow anyway. It's been like an hour since we last spoke, and I am back. I have my little rainbow pieces, so this is the rainbow road that I'm going to glue on my face, and then my other pieces, I'm going to go ahead and glue those off camera. I have my pieces glued on, and now I'm going to add like little half circles around them to give it a little shadow like it's going into the skin. And I destroyed my little star so I can put him in my head. I'm going to heat up some gelatin that I already have in the freezer and apply this on. I'm adding my first color, which is purple, and I'm just making sure that this star is pretty secure, and then we'll layer different colors on top of that. Change of plans, the gelatin did not come out. So we are just going to paint some rainbow drops on and call it a day. Right, I think we are all done. It didn't come out exactly as pictured, but I still think it turned out pretty cool. What do you guys think of this very trippy Mario?